Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve a LeetCode easy level problem called find n unique integers sum up to 0. So problem statement is given an integer n, return any array containing n unique integers such that they add up to 0. So what they are mentioning is, so they will be giving an integer n. We are supposed to generate an array which are unique in nature and sums up to 0. So for the first test case given n as 5, let me take a whiteboard. So first test case given n as 5. So how we can proceed is we will create an array, or in Python we can take a list. We will start from 1 and we will iterate up to n double slash 2, which is nothing but a floor division. So 5 double slash 2 will be given as 2. So we will append 1 inside the list and we will also append the negative of that integer, nothing but minus 1 into it. Similarly, we will append 2 into it and negative of that integer minus 2 for that. So we have iterated 2 times here, and if n mod 2 not equal to 0, nothing but 5 is an example. If 5 mod 2 not equal to 0, if this condition is true, then we are supposed to append 0 here. If n mod 2 is 0, nothing but 4, then we can directly return this array. Let me implement the solution for this in Java. So we are supposed to return an integer data type. I mean integer array. So let me declare an array int answer equal to new int of in parameter we are supposed to pass the length nothing but n. So we are supposed to iterate until n by 2 for int I equal to 0, I less than n by 2, I plus plus. So what we are supposed to do, answer of I equal to I plus 1. At first answer of I will be 0, right? So in the first element I am appending I plus 1, nothing but 1. Let me show it in whiteboard. So we have created an array of length 5. In Java, as we know, it will defaultly store the elements as 0 in Java. So we are iterating from 0. So in the position of 0, we are adding 1 here, nothing but I plus 1. And in the next step, answer of n minus I minus 1 equal to minus I minus 1. Let me explain this thing also. So our n is 5. So n minus I minus 1 will be 5 minus I is 0 now and minus 1, nothing but 4. Um, Let me give an indexes here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are adding minus I minus 1, right? Let me show you through code. So here we are adding minus I minus 1. Minus I minus 1 will be I is our 0 and minus 1 will be minus 1. So here we will get minus 1. Similarly, here we will get 2 and here we will get minus 2. As we iterate up to only n by 2, this will remain as 0 only. Now sum these elements 1 plus 2 minus 2 minus 1. This will sum up to 0 and they all are unique. Let me implement this. Supposed to return this answer array. So it is passing all the sample test cases. Let me submit. Yes, it is passing all the test cases. I will also post the Python solution in the comment section. Please check it out. Thank you.